Alright guys, welcome back to Full Moon Hot Rods. I was going to give you a little update on the Model A. I haven't been able to work on a whole lot. I work on the Model A when I can, and I'll put out the videos when I can. But like I say, I appreciate each and every one of y'all watching. And I'm going to show you where I'm at on the Model A. I'm on the second priming, and I've got everything worked out on it, I believe. So when I go back and block sand it this time, I hope it's the final time. Probably won't be. I'll probably find some more spots, but anyway, we're getting close, and I'm gonna take the body off the frame this time because I need to work the cowl. I haven't been able to, well, not the cowl, the firewall. I haven't worked the firewall on the car because the motor was in it when it was on the frame, and I just didn't take time to take the motor out. So now I'm gonna take the body off the frame, work the firewall. I'm gonna go ahead and paint the bottom side of the car, and like I say, start back block sanding and all that stuff to try to get the body straight, and then we're gonna spray some paint on it as soon as I get that done. And then I'm gonna move on to the chassis. I'll probably be working on the chassis a little bit in between because there's stuff I can be doing on it where it won't take as much time, and it's like there's a few places I got to finish welding where I didn't finish it before. So, but it's coming along. It's just slow and easy. But anyway, I reckon I'll carry y'all in the shop and show you where I'm at. I'll probably do like a time lapse or something and just come back and talk at the end. But anyway, all right, guys, let's take you now. We'll go to the next shop and we'll see y'all. I'll show y'all what we got. Alright guys, here's the car. Like I say, I haven't done anything to the firewall yet, but the body itself, I've pretty much got it pretty daggone close. So I guess when we spray the paint on it, we'll find out how close it really is. But still haven't decided on the color or anything. But now I'm gonna start disassembling it completely, and I'm gonna put the body on an old piece of frame that we have with wheels on it, and that way I can finish the firewall and up underneath the car. But it's coming along, guys. Slow, but it is coming. All right, there's the cowl. Got it worked out. There's the deck lid. They got a lot of dust on them, but anyway. And here's the door for the passenger side, but it turned out pretty good. There's the driver's side. Alright guys, like I said before, I'm not building a all-out show car. I do want this car to look, look good, but it is going to be a driver. It's going to get chipped up. So what it is what it is, but I am trying to get all the pits out of it and get it straight as I can get it. But like I say, it's not going to be a show car. Not just a decent driver car. Anyway guys, I'm going to give you an update. Sorry that I haven't been putting out very many videos lately, so I have to do this when I can, and Like I said, I'll do my best to keep you updated, and I do appreciate every one of my subscribers. I feel like I really got some good ones, because some people wouldn't stick around with me as long as it takes me here lately to get a video out. But I appreciate each and every one of y'all, and I guess I'll check you on the next one. And y'all guys that's watching these videos that's not subscribed, subscribe and help me out a little bit. It'll just help the channel grow, because there is going to be another car after this one, but we'll get to it when I get through with this car. But anyway, all right guys, y'all take care. Thanks for watching.